In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a box plot on Google Sheets. Since Google Sheets doesn't offer a dedicated box plot, we'll create one using a smart workaround with the candlestick chart. The key is to calculate the 5-number summary for your data first. Then feed those values into a chart that visualizes the distribution just like a box plot would. Start by calculating the 5-number summary for each dataset you want to compare. You'll need minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. In empty cells, use formulas to generate each value from your data range. For the minimum, type min your range. For the first quartile, use quartile your range. 1. For the median, enter median your range. For the third quartile, use quartile your range. 3. And for the maximum, type max your ranges. Replace your ranges with the actual cells that contain your numbers. The median is important for understanding the center of your data. But keep in mind it won't show up as a line in the final candlestick chart. Once those values are calculated, organize them into a clean summary table. Create one column for each dataset or group you want to plot. And use clear labels so you can select everything easily in a moment. List the rows in this order: minimum, Q1, Q3, and maximum. You can place median in the table for reference, but it won't be used by the chart. This arrangement matches how the candlestick chart reads the data. Now, select the entire summary table, including your column labels at the top. Go to the Insert menu and choose Chart. In the Chart Editor sidebar that appears, open the Chart Type dropdown and scroll until you find the candlestick chart. Click it to apply. Your chart will immediately translate those summary values into a box plot style visualization. The box spans from Q1 to Q3, and the whiskers extend to the minimum and maximum values. This gives you a quick view of spread and potential skew across your groups. If you want to make the chart easier to read, open the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. Here, you can adjust axis titles to clearly indicate what each axis represents and refine axis ranges to focus on the most relevant part of your data. Small tweaks to titles and scales go a long way in making your chart presentation ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching.